Welcome to Robust News. Health Ministry issues fresh guidelines for lockdown 2. New Delhi. Fresh guidelines were issued by the government on Wednesday for enforcing the second phase of the coronavirus lockdown, with the Union Home Ministry barring all kinds of public transport and prohibiting of opening of public places till May 3. Speaking in public has been made a punishable offense and a strict ban enforced on sale of liquor, vodka, tobacco, etc. Under the new Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines that comes a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the extension of the nationwide lockdown till May 3. While inter-state, inter-district movement of people, metro bus services will be prohibited till May 3. The government allowed function of industrial unit located in rural areas promoted by observing strict social distancing norms. Educational institution, coaching center, domestic, international air, travel train services will also remain suspended till this time, it said. Public places like cinema halls, malls, shopping complexes, gymnasium, sport complexes, swimming pools, bars will also be shut till May 3. All social, political, sport, religious functions, religious places, places of worship shall be closed for public till May 3, it said. Highway, dhaba, truck repairing shop, call center for government activities to remain open from April 20. Shop of agriculture machineries, its spare parts, its supply chain, repair, custom hiring centers related to farm machinery to remain open from April 20. From April 20, activities permitted include agricultural, horticultural activities, farmer and farmer worker in field procurement of agri product, mandis, manufacturing unit of drugs, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, construction of medical infrastructure, including manufacture of ambulance, to remain open from April 20. The central government has made wearing of mask compulsory in public places across the country. Grocery stores, fruit, vegetables, shop, cart, milk, meat, poultry, meat, and fish shop to remain open during lockdown. Services provided by self-employed electricians, IT repairs, plumbers, motor mechanics, carpenters allowed from April 20. However, the exemptions given from April 20 will not be applicable in COVID-19 hotspots, containment zone, and the state duty government shall not dilute guidelines in any manner but may impose stricter measures as per local requirements. Industry opening of industries operating in rural areas to be permitted to run from April 20 with strict social distancing norms. Manufacturing industrial units with access control in SEZs, exports oriented units, industries estates, industrial townships to be allowed to function from April 20. The Home Ministry said permitted industry must make arrangement for stay of worker within their premises or adjacent building by observing social distancing norms. The Home Ministry said Defense, Paramilitary, Health and Family Welfare, Disaster Management, NIC, FCI, NCC, Nehru Yuva Kendra and Customs offices will function without any restriction. Other ministry and departments are to function with 100% attendance with deputy secretary and above rank officers. Remaining officers and staff to attend up to 33% as per requirement, it said. The guidelines said in order to mitigate hardship to the public, select additional activities will be allowed which will come into effect from April 20. However, These additional activities will be operationalized by state and UTs and district administrator based on strict compliance to the existing guidelines on lockdown measures. It said the nationwide lockdown is aimed to contain the spread of the pandemic that has killed over 370 people and infected over 11,000 in the country.